Okay, guys. Well, I don't know. We're supposed to hang out, and I didn't hear from him. So we'll see.
guys, today I'll be doing make breakfast with me and just like
the full version after.
yeah, just make breakfast with me, but I'll see what I'm eating. So because I'm making breakfast for the whole family and we are 4 of us. I'm just having like bread, eggs, and burger.
He means both of us.
Burger
You're
patties,
an extension of me.
So like that, guys.
Harmony and I made these.
So guys, yeah. Let me start defrosting.
Give each one of the super hots to wear this. It will turn them bad for good.
Excellent.
Ladies, slow down. One at a time. What's happened? I want to unpack it. And that is the toothbrushes. And stop fighting each other. And your mama is just so sweet. Sorry, I got southern again. Thank you, Cole Smith. Is she all right? Was the dragon contained? Yes. All is well in Avalonia, and we're so ready for our next class. Thank goodness. I was worried because, well, I haven't heard from Cheshire in a while. Or Prospero, for that matter.
Cheshire, are you feeling okay? You're acting kind of weird.
Yes, I would have to agree.
Crystal.
Crystal, you're looking quite stunning. And actually, I feel quite wonderful.
Oh, Sam. Well, you've got me, ladies.
Majesty, you look wonderful. I've got tickets for a show tonight at the theatre. And actually, I was thinking maybe we could grab a bite to eat beforehand.
Oh, right. Sorry, ladies. I'll catch up with you later.
Oh, sorry. Okay. The bunglers will have.
You talk too much sometimes. Here.
Oh, okay, oh my gosh. Spike, this is beautiful. It's
Perfect accessory for world domination.
Hey.
the bunglers will have total world domination.
It worked.
Shadow King. He's the one that we saw when we turned after Ruin Good at Christmas time. He's the one we really need to take down. Well, Its Majesty, you go up to the spaceship. I have a surprise for you. Something tells me it's a curse necklace. We've got to go in prepared.
What are you looking for?
The magic mirror. This may come in handy. Stop. Please, Nancy, stop. Ladies, so glad you could join us.
Never been to this part of the ship before.
It's the observation deck. Ladies, we wanted to give you a gift. Oh, really? What is it?
These two necklaces. Different hours.
Oh, cool.
But no thanks.
What? Is it really our gift? Yeah, we're really necklace people. I know. Quite Crystal Crazy will put necklaces on ourselves. Now let's search the mirrors.
Whoa. What happened? Why are we dressed like this?
You gotta go all under a spell. The boyfriends are under a spell because the shadow king put them all under a spell. They wanted us to all be bunglers. They're coming. Wait, maybe you want to steal them with us? Okay, these are deactivated. Flash, can you shapeshift us into those bad outfits that they're wearing?
I've never shapeshifted other people before, or outfits, but I can try. Easier than I thought. Okay, that's cool.
What's cool?
Oh, just being a bungler.
Love it. Total world domination!
It's time to go meet with the Shadow King. Yes, you'll be very pleased with our progress.
You know what? I'm just gonna say it. I am over this Shadow King. I'm over what he's done to you guys and his misogynistic attitude. That means thinking men are better than women.
Wait, what? There's too much magic. This thing is about to collapse.
Oh, God, don't do it at the time. Look.
You teleported us out. Of course. Symphony, we know you're a bubbler, but deep down you have a heart. And even though you're not nice, we would save you time and time again.
From now on, I am no longer Dr. Kitten. Call me Dr. Ruin. And you two will be more powerful than ever. Now, follow me. It's time to tell the other bunglers about yes, Prospero and Doctor will be pleased. But before that, it's time to do it. Let's go. Look, Chloe, I hope this helps you.
Wait, so you guys got out? We will see. The words will be 3 times 3. Words will be key.
You know, the books is a lever. You know, like in the movies, I've seen it plenty of times. You never know. Maybe just pull a bunch of books off the shelves and see if one of them works.
Okay, let's do this. I don't know what's worse, being stuck in the classroom or being stuck out there at our tea party.
Yes, we've got to find a way out and maybe find something to unlock the door, a key of some sort. You don't think she'd leave a key in here, do you? It's worth looking. Come on.
It's been none of these books so far.
And there are still so many books left. Maybe. Unfortunately, stuck in the classroom. We're all wanting to get out of our rooms by picking a lock, secret passageways.
Do you see any secret passageways? Nope.